Figure's intuitive drag-and-drop system provides a natural approach to solving systems of equations. Substitution is easy with Figure and easy to visualize. First, input all of the equations within the system. Make sure that there are no input boxes in any of the equations and that they are not in edit mode. Now, play around with one of the equations to isolate a variable on one side of the equation. Once the variable is isolated, you can drag it onto any other expression to substitute. In this example, we have a system of two equations with two variables, x and y. Use the first equation to solve for y. Now, substitute y into the second equation. The second equation can now be solved for x. Once you've found x, you can substitute it back into the first expression. Continue this process until you've solved both equations.